Is your 2021-2022 Genesis GV80 key fob failing to lock, unlock, or start your car? The most common cause is a dead CR232 battery. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money on dealership fees of $50 to $100, and takes just a few minutes. This video will guide you through each step. Your GV80 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard 3V lithium coin cell battery, model CR2032. These batteries are widely available at most stores like Walmart, Amazon, or your local electronics shop. Expect to pay between $1 and $5 per battery. It's crucial to buy a reputable brand to avoid corrosion or poor performance from knockoff batteries. You'll only need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The pry tool will help prevent scratches to the fob's plastic casing. Before you start, work on a clean, non-conductive surface to prevent static discharge, which can potentially damage the fob's electronics. Handle the battery with care. Locate the seam on your GV80 key fob. It's usually along the side with the buttons. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Carefully pry open the two halves of the fob. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation, specifically which side is facing up, the positive side. Use your fingertip or the pry tool to gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same way as the old battery. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob circuit, so double-check the orientation. Now carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Make sure they align properly and there are no gaps. Ensure the two halves are firmly closed with no visible gaps. Once reassembled, test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release buttons to confirm it's working correctly. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and not expired. Adding a keychain protector can prevent physical damage to the fob and help extend its battery life. In cold climates, consider using an insulated fob cover to protect against accelerated battery drain caused by low temperatures. Remember that performing DIY battery replacement doesn't void your warranty unless improper handling causes damage to the fob. Some users suggest reprogramming the fob through the vehicle's infotainment system for added security, but this is generally not required for 2021-2022 Genesis GV80 models.